Welcome back to Gauge Insider, a channel dedicated to serving the manufacturing community around the world. Thank you to our host, GreatGauges.com, a one-stop shop for all your precision measuring needs. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss an upload.
In precision manufacturing, accurate measurements are everything. That's why Mitutoyo indicators are trusted across shop floors, engineering rooms, and quality control labs in industries worldwide. From intricate machinery calibration to micro-level measurements of critical components, Mitutoyo indicators consistently deliver reliable, precise results essential to high-quality production. Built in our factories in Japan, each indicator undergoes rigorous testing to meet our strict specifications, ensuring that we uphold the same high standards our customers rely on.
Once again, thank you so much for watching Gauge Insider. For more information, visit GreatGauges.com, or you can look down in the description for our toll-free number. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.